Hey, this is Dr. B, and let's take a look at some solvents, some acids, and some bases. Nearly all chemical reactions done experimentally take place using a solvent. Why is that? One of the best reasons is that reactions will go much more rapidly when you dissolve them. That places space between all of the solute, right? Here it is, the solute, whatever your chemical reactant is. Put space between it so that there's nice co-mingling. Imagine a solid that's protected on the inside by itself, all those other molecules that are hiding within it. By spreading it out, you drastically increase the surface area, leading to a much faster chemical reaction. If you perform a reaction in a solvent, you can use that solvent to absorb a lot of the energy. This is really useful if it's an exothermic reaction. And you can use it to control the temperature of the reaction. In fact, if you want the reaction to take place at 78 degrees and it doesn't react with ethanol, use that as a solvent and just heat it up. It'll boil and it'll maintain roughly that boiling point. They transfer easily. You can just pull them up in a pipette and squirt them over. Not so easy if you're dealing with solids or gases. This lends itself to robotic processes. Some common acids include hydrochloric, acetic, sulfuric, nitric. Some common bases include sodium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, even aluminum hydroxide. What do the acids have in common? They all contain H+. H+Cl. Acetic acid, I draw it this way, which is a little unfortunate because there's your H+ there. But the other ones begin with it. H+ there and H+ there. They always have the hydrogen cation. Common bases always have the hydroxide anion. There, two of them there, even three of them there. H plus OH minus makes water, and that's a good way to remember what a common acid is, something that contains H plus. What is a common base? Something that contains OH minus. What do you get when you mix them? At least for the cation and the anion, H plus and OH minus gives you H2O, or water. The cations and the anions that are not H plus or OH minus combine to make a salt. Acid plus base to make salt plus water. This is an introduction to solvents, acids, and bases.